Now this one is the plant that's doing very well, and I'm not sure if it's just the location or what it happens to be. But since we're here, here are some of the buds, and there's really only those. This one here I don't think we're going to get a pepper from, but maybe. Let's see if we could take that off. Maybe. But as you can see, the two that I did take off, let's see, there we go. They had nice stalks on them. So let's go down and we'll look at the rest. Okay, let's see. I think this one's a Jimmy Nardello, I think. This is the first year I'm growing this one, and they do seem to be coming on pretty nice on that one. Here's another King Arthur. Not very many blossoms at all. Here's another King Arthur. No blossoms on him. And this guy, he's got blossoms in there, so oh, he's got lots of blossoms, hopefully. And then who do we have here? This is another Jimmy Nardello. He is starting to have blossoms. Let's see, this one looks rather good too. This is another Jimmy Nardello. I hope I'm getting this in for you. I guess they are coming along kind of nice. Some of them anyway. They're starting to pick up, hopefully from the warmer weather. But we're going to add some nice worm castings around them just to give them a nice boost. So what we're going to do, we'll work on this plant here, and I'm going to pull away the mulch from around the base of the plant, and then very gently we're going to rake some of this soil loose. And the nice thing about the mulch this year, it's really helped to keep the soil moist underneath. And what I did was I took all of my worm castings and I put them into Ziploc bags, but I have not sealed the bag completely. You always want to be sure air is getting in there, because there are live microorganisms that will need the oxygen. Now remember, I didn't sift any of this, so there are pieces of egg carton in there and of paper. So we're just going to put that all around the base, pull out the weeds that are there. Just give it a little bit of a scratch in the top. We don't want to worry about damaging any roots, so we're just going to do it along the top. And then we're going to put the mulch back around the plant. And we'll see how they make out. Hopefully they'll do a lot better, because that's what worm castings are supposed to do. Here's another one. Let's see. Can we get that one? Ooh. Take away, this is a Jimmy Nardello. Take away the mulch. Just scrape the soil just a little bit on the top. Pull a couple weeds that we see that are here. And since they haven't gone to seed, they're just going right back on the top. And we're going to give a generous handful right around the bottom of the plant, so that way when we come back to water, all that goodness will go in there. Just scratch it in a little bit. So Bethan from Ginger Welsh Allotments, I know you've asked me questions about this before, so I hope you're watching. And that's how I'm using my worm castings this year, as well as for some other plants, but I wanted to show you how I'm applying it here in my garden. If you haven't visited Bethan at her channel, it is Ginger Welsh Allotments, and she's got a lot of nice things going on there Always love to see what other gardeners are doing, so go over, and if you do visit her channel, give her a shout out that you saw her on my channel. And that's what we're doing for today. We're going to go around and do the rest of the pepper plants. So if you enjoyed today's video, give me a thumbs up. Join me on my gardening journey. Have a great day. Happy gardening.